Are you telling Daddy you miss him? Say, I miss you, Daddy. Oh, yeah. Are you telling him to have fun? Can you give him a big smile? Can you give Daddy a big smile? Oh, that's a cute smile. Can you say I love you, Daddy? Oh, okay. Say bye-bye, Daddy.